I really love this tool and its simplicity. I do believe that it's simple but so powerful, and most of the time the most powerful things and the most I don't know, aha moments, the insights just shows up from the little things, little but important. So from simple, from easy things. And this is such an easy way to open this space and towards emotions, towards self-awareness. Actually, you play a game and you work on knowing yourself better, knowing the people with whom you work better, and so on. It's something totally different. If we want to have a bigger impact, we need to invest more resources in this area. If you are not talking about these kind of things, it's worse, because as you said, they can inspire other people, and it's a good opportunity to grow and to learn from each other. But this means to put that effort and to share these things. I'm very proud of it already. Thank you so much, because as I told you, I wrote you via email. I am really impressed and inspired by your work and by you. So I'm glad that you can take a little bit from my story as well. Yesterday, I had the first workshop using your emotional card. Actually, it was a slot within a larger workshop organized for the project managers community in IBM Romania. There were around 70 participants, and for me it was like a test. I mean, I wanted to see how they will react, also how I will manage to run this. I only had 40 minutes, so from my point of view, not enough time to dig deeper and to create that environment where people to come to speak up and to connect. However, it was really interesting, and it was a surprise for the people who participated. They were engaged, and the participation was good. They preferred to write on the chat during the session, not necessarily to speak loudly about what's going on, to share stories and so on. But it was a good starting point, I believe. And a few people actually contacted me afterwards and told me that they plan to use this method at least for the weekly retrospectives with their teams. And I was very glad, and I wanted to share this with you because I think you like to hear such a feedback as well.
So what exercises, what activities did you take people through in that 40 minutes?
I've started with a general introduction and with an overview of the deck. And in terms of the exercises, the first one was the weekly retrospective. I've adapted it a bit in a sense that I've shared the cards, the one available via in the online version. So I invited them to write in the chat the card they picked, the words corresponding to their feelings from the previous week. Then the invitation was for some of them, if they want to share a story in regards to it. For the others, to just work individually on a piece of paper, agenda, and so on. I mentioned this from the beginning, that actually this is an exercise that can help each of us, and it's not necessary or mandatory for them to share, but to just do this work for themselves. Most of them wrote in the chat their words. Only very few, I think 3 or 4 people put some stories as well in the chat. This took around 12 minutes, I believe. Then the second part, it was about intentions, so setting up the intentions exactly as per your structure, with the white cards, the invitation to pick 1 to 3 cards to share via the chat or loudly. For this one, it was there were less comments and it was less input received. So we went to the next the part, what they want to what they would like not to feel, but they might feel during the next week. So the engagement was quite well, but no stories at all. And we closed with exercise or question in regards to how would you like to feel at work to be successful. So some of, apart from the self-awareness workshop that you suggested, I think this was the highlight somehow for them, because here they started to share ideas. They somehow got more open, or maybe this was the time when we should have actually just started, because they were prepared to continue. However, for a first session and a teaser was quite well. And we closed up actually with a conclusion about why emotions are important, how these are influencing our behavior, why they as managers, as leaders need to pay attention to their teams as well, but starting with themselves. This was it, 40 minutes.